The whole point of talking language is not to tell the truth, but to lie. I read, again, I'm old and senile, a wonderful today old means 10, 15 years ago, wonderful analysis of language, nothing to do with Lacan, Freud, or whatever. A simple positive behavior analysis which tries to reconstruct how language emerged. And the idea is, in a nice way, anti-Marxist, because Marx, or Engels on his behalf, he wrote that rather ridiculous short text, The Emergence of Man through Work Out of Apes, or whatever, all that stuff. There, the idea is that it's through collaboration, collective work, that language emerges. And Engels' theory is pretty stupid here. His idea is that he even uses at some point, or rather regresses to this tautological stupidity. He said that when productive process became too complex, it couldn't go on without language, because you had to signal to your co-worker, do this, don't do that. So it's horrible, theoretically wrong saying of Engels. He says language was invented the moment people had something to tell to each other. Thanks, but to be in this position, you already have to be in language, my God, And here, and this is maybe even my pleasure, I'm not just doing with some abstract Lacanian, Hegelian speculation. It almost gives me intellectual orgasm, where I follow empirical research results, which then trigger an echo at the very abstract philosophical level. For example, the book that I mentioned, an author whose name I forgot, she claims quite convincingly that language originally was emerged in the process of seduction to lie, how to make an impression on your partner. And he even does it very intelligently, this guy, sorry, forgot his name, when he goes into sexual difference mating, and he says that among most of animals then we know, it's male members who put on masquerade, Animals have colored nice feathers and so on to attract the woman. But then with humans, uniquely, it changes. It's the women, feminine sex, who has to mask themselves to attract men. Now I totally accept something third will emerge and so on. But I like much more this idea that language is not, as some Habermasians or modern rationalists think, originally a medium of communication, collaboration, thinking, which then gets distorted with all this sexualized or manipulative game. Note that language is, at its most basic dimension, an instrument of lying. And that to tell the truth, Hegel had somewhere this formula, you have to think in language against language. So what is, and still, please be careful when you listen to this, to what I found charming madness, namely how I run from elementary empirical examples to high speculation.